So we are back this evening to do just some quick, whimsical, fun nail art, both for Halloween and Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So we're going to stick with our pinks and kind of our pinkies and purples, and we're going to do a little skull with some roses around it. Of course, it's on the toes, so we're going to have to be teeny tiny with our nail art, and we're just going to keep it fun and whimsical and easy and fast. Most of the time, whenever I'm planning nail art for the toes, the image I have in my mind of how I'm going to do it is always as if I have a bigger surface to work on. Then when I actually sit down to do it, I realize how tiny I'm actually going to have to be. So my nail art will kind of shift and change, but I just keep it lighthearted. We're not doing a full pedicure today. It's just playing with nail art, having fun. Around here this week, we're just kind of cleaning the nail room up and putting things away where they go and kind of getting things in order. I know that the holidays are coming upon us really, really quick, and I've got to get stuff ordered, place some orders for Christmas coming up, and any kind of little do's-a-dazzes that we want to add to nails, you know. I've got a client scheduled for this Saturday. We'll be doing a manicure and some fun, pretty nail art. So that'll be on Saturday. We'll do a live. It'll probably be a little afternoon when we do that. And we'll be live here on YouTube. Right now, I'm just kind of creating some different colors for the background because we want to do our roses, and I just want a little bit of other colors that go with our background color to kind of blend in. Now I'm going to try to create my little skull. He's teeny tiny. This is the first time I'm actually doing a skull, so he's going to come out a little wonky, but that's okay. The wonkier the better. I can't believe that we just have a couple weeks left until Halloween. So I've got to get some more nail art in for Halloween. If there's anything that you guys want to see that you want to challenge me to draw or paint, let me know down in the comments because I would love some suggestions. Have you guys started ordering your stuff for Christmas yet? Because if you haven't, start looking around and getting it together because it's going to be here before you know it. And save your money. Remember, save your money for the gift boxes. I know Madam Glam has already come out with their advent calendar gift box. That's fabulous. That makes a great gift if you have that nail lover in your life, or your mom or your sister. You just want to get them something that way on off days or off times when they're just in a hurry, they can do it themselves. Simple, easy peasy. I know that's what I'm going to be getting my niece. So I'm going to get her the advent calendar so she can have fun opening that up, and she'll have colors that will get her through the season. And I'm going to get her a lamp and a nice little brush to use, and probably a couple of nail art brushes. Lately, I've been really busy trying to get my doctors and my specialist in, get my appointments out of the way. I have chronic illness, so there's lots of doctors to see before the end of the year. So I've been getting all that stuff done and all my testing done. It's been quite draining. I'm a little on the exhausted side, but I feel like I'm about to kind of wrap everybody up, thank God. And then it'll be time just to kind of relax and get back to doing things I love to do. And here I'm just trying to kind of outline my skull best I can and try to make him look a little bit like a skull. I know he's teeny tiny, but the attempt is there, right? We want to like focus a little bit on some details. That way he looks a little bit more like a skull than just a white blob. I know his teeth are rather huge. I didn't intend on it to be that way, but that's kind of how it's turned out, and I'm okay with that. Now we're gonna do our roses. I'm gonna do them best I can. Again, they're gonna have to be teeny tiny, and I'm not great at the teeny tiny stuff yet. So they're gonna look like roses in a way. At least I hope. I decided to go ahead and put the roses all the way around, so it won't take me but a second. But I'm going to go ahead and put the outline of the roses on the other parts as well. For our other toes, I'm just going to kind of use the same colors that we've used on the big toe and then just rotate them, you know, do one here and another one this color. I did use one glitter that I didn't use on the big toe, and the color glitter I used is Treasure, and it's a rose gold. if you enjoy nail content, you might consider subscribing and hit that like button on your way out. I would greatly appreciate it. I have a whole lot of content on my page, a lot of nail diaries and little journals, and of course just how-tos. And before the end of this month, before Halloween gets here, we're gonna do some more Halloween nail art that's a little bit more traditional, and we'll kind of do a little how-to. I'll figure stuff out along the way, and I'll show you what I've learned. Now we just got to get everything top coated, and then I will lotion up her feet, put on the cuticle oils, and we'll take some pictures.